defense mechanism in the host plant. At first, I want to know from you the definition of the defense mechanism in the host plant. If you are asked, you are studying the structural defense and biochemical defense mechanism in the plant. So at first you must define the term defense mechanism in the plant. How will you define it? Deepak, how will you define the term defense mechanism in plant? Defense mechanism in the host plant. How will you define? Give me a very simple definition.
Yes, sir.
Tarannum, define the term.
Yes, sir. The host plant to defend themselves against to the attack.
Repeat your definition again.
The process by which the host plant defends itself against pathogen is known as a defense mechanism.
Yes, you are right. But you can also, but you may upgrade or improve the definition. And for the improvement, you can define in this way: the mechanism by which the plant defends itself against the attack or against the infection of the pathogen for its survival. The plant defends itself for its own survival against the infection of the infection caused by the pathogens. So this is the complete definition. You must also include the terms survival, and the complete definition of the defense mechanism in the plant is like the way in which I am defining the mechanism by which the host plant defends itself for its survival against the infection caused by the pathogen. Yani the mechanism by which a particular host plant defends itself against the infection caused by the pathogen for its survival is known as the defense mechanism. Now let me know, Deepak, what is the difference between the structural and biochemical defense? And let me know, how will you define the structural defense mechanism in plant? Tarannum, Deepak, Prateek. Describe me. Let me know some of the structures which are meant for defending the host plant against the pathogen. What are the structures? Let me know the names of the structures which help in providing the defense against the attack by the pathogen. What are the structures? Cite some. Let me know some structures which are very helpful in defending the plant against the infection. Anyone of you can list. Yes.
Leaf surface bags, thorn, trachome, and cell wall thickness. All this, sir.
Cuticular and wax layer.
Yes, sir. Wax and cuticle.
उसके बाद I had described the 10 different in the previous lecture. In the previous lecture I had mentioned the 10 structural defense mechanism in the host plant, and just you have told you are just pointing out only one or two. Let me know all the at least five structures meant for defending defending the plant against the infection by the pathogen. Tarannum, tell me the other.
Formation of cork.
Formation of
cork.
Sir, cutil thickness, sir. Cuticular wax, sir. A structure of epidermal cell wall, sir. A structure of natural opening, sir.
Epidermal cell wall.
Internal defense structure, sir.
Tylosis.
Deposition of gum.
Formation of cord.
Defense reaction of cytoplasm.
Yes.
Cell wall defense structure, sir. Come deposition, sir.
Position of cork.
Tylosis.
Yes, sir.
Formation of layers, sir. Necrosis of fibrosensitive.
What is tylosis?
Tylosis are outgrowth of the protoplast of the adjacent Leiomyosarcoma cell producing into xylem vessel through pit under stress or in response to attack by the vascular pathogen.
Sir, tylosis is plus.
Any Deepak,
Yes, sir.
can you cite any examples, any example of plant disease in which the tylosis have been reported? A very common example. You have to study that disease in the paper 14th. In which building due to plugging of the xylem vessel, wilting take place. Can you cite the name of the disease? Manisha? मनीषा सुन रही है? मनीषा, लेट में बताओ डिजीज का नाम जिसमें जाइलम वेसल प्लग हो जाता है.
Potato, sir. Scab of potato.
Wilt of Arhar, wilt of caused by Fusarium oxysporium, which is caused by a fungus called Fusarium oxysporium, in which what happened? In which the xylem vessel gets blocked due to the formation of tylosis, and the wilting of the plant takes place. Yes, you are right. Now let us come back to. Now let us move. Switch over to the new topic which is to be discussed today, which is the biochemical mechanism. Come to the biochemical mechanism. Now I am just going to start the biochemical